Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to do the equation numbering in Microsoft Word. So if you're writing a paper, if you're writing a thesis, if you're writing any kind of document which includes some equations, then how can you number these equations? And after numbering these equations, if you want to put the list of equations just like the list of figures, the list of tables, if you also want to list of equations, then you can also do it automatically in Microsoft Word. So I have just downloaded a very simple article. I took it from online any website. It is about the ideal gas equations. So I'm going to just show you how to do the equation numbering. So for example, I have two equations, a very simple one, and if we want to number it, usually what I used to do in my bachelor or in my master's, I would put one, or maybe I take it to the end and then put it one. Okay, so what you do, you can, I mean, it is very hard to like, if I want to add, let's say if I want to add like something, some description like ideal gas. So you see the number is already changed. So if I want to change the equation later on, you have to adjust this number as well again. But also this is not the professional way, or not a good way to actually not even the right equations, or I mean not only the numbering the equations and also the writing the equations. So it is very not good. So what you need to do is to change the style of writing your equations. You can see here the maths type. So this is a very good one. You can get this one for free for like maybe 1 year, but then you have to pay for it. So the easiest way is to go to the insert section, insert tab, and then in the symbol section you can go to the write an equation. So actually there are very different types of equations that you can write. For example, this one, binomial theorem, expansion of sum, and this is the simplest form of equation like area of circle. Or you can go and insert new equations in which there are very huge variety of equations that you can write. We can discuss this in detail in some other videos, but just for the sake of the shortest video, I'm going to just click here and then I'm going to give this equation, write this equation in this kind. So I want to write this second equation, which is PV is equals to nRT. So I'm going to write it here, PV equals to nRT. Okay, so you see I want to make it here on the left. So how can you do that? You just go to the home and then you select this option. Okay, align left. So you click here and you get this thing. Okay, so now I can actually reference this equation or number this equation and use this as a reference in my text. For example, this you see. So we can only this is not referenced now. The equation is not referenced. It can easily be deleted. So what I want to do is give the citation in such a way that I can actually refer in my text wherever I want, and with very much ease. And actually it will create a hyperlink are very necessary when you write a lot of papers or a lot of thesis work and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this equation like this, and then I'm going to reference this. Okay, come on, it's a bit slow. Okay, so you need to go to the reference section, and from there we can go to you see here insert caption. You can go there and then insert the caption. Now it says that figure, but it is not actually a figure, it is an equation. So what you need to do is to select this option, equation, and this will write in one. If you want to give any other name, any something that you want to give it, for example, ideal gas equation, you can also do that, but I usually do not do this. I just write one. Okay, so equation 1, and the next will be equation 2. Okay, so just like this. Now you see they are in different section. I just want to write it in here. So what I usually do, I prefer to draw a table. Go draw a table like two columns, one row table, and I will copy this equation. Come on. Okay, and I'll cut it and then paste it here. Okay, you can move it here if you want, or don't. It's up to you. And I will also cut this one and paste it here. Here I can do this. Okay, we will paste it, and then I will go and select this option. Now we can see that there is a table. Okay, so I want to remove this table, so you just go and from the table design, you just select the no border option. Voila. So in the text, the table would never show up. So you can do it very easily. For example, now I want to reference this equation, like cite it in this point. So what I need to do is go to referencing, and then I'm going to go to this option which is known as cross references. So I'm going to put cross references. I have to select the equation from here. This is the equation, and you see my equation 1 is here. So what is it? Either I want the entire caption. No, I only want the number, okay, or the label and the number. So when I click this one and insert, you see here, this is the you see this is the citation. So if I want to delete it, like backspace, or if you want to click it anywhere, you see this is a hyperlink, which is very, very important when your paper is online and when someone is reading your paper. So do it like this and you will never fail. Bye bye.